Hey there, welcome to the first episode of Keeping Up with Real Estate. I'm Reene Ferguson, your Metro Detroit realtor, and I'm excited to talk to you today about selling your home. You know, it's a fact that rates are low right now, homes are selling fast, and inventory is thin. The current real estate market is hot, and sellers are winning big with multiple offers. So if you plan to list your home, I know you're excited to hear this. However, presenting your home well is still necessary if you want to attract more potential buyers. So in today's episode, I have 4 tips to help you prepare your home for its next open house or showing. Number 1, enhance your home's curb appeal. There's nothing that can scare away a potential buyer quite like a junky yard. You can make your exterior more inviting by simply mowing the lawn, planting flowers, and trimming the hedges. Grooming your front yard can go a long way and impress buyers as they approach your home. Number 2, declutter. Chances are, if you've lived in a space for an extended period of time, you've accumulated a lot of stuff. Most buyers aren't interested in looking at all the knickknacks you've accumulated over the years. They're trying to really picture themselves living in the space, and it's hard for them to do that if your house is full of clutter. You can start with the living room because, of course, it's the first room they see when they walk in. Then work on the kitchen, the bathroom, and the main bedroom. Freshen up your paint. Fresh paint can bring a space to life and make it look like new again. You may love your personal style with the bright orange, the blue, and the purple walls, but neutral colors like white, gray, and beige will make your home appear bigger and brighter. Number 4, organize the closets. Having ample storage can make your home much more attractive to buyers looking for extra space. And if your closets are packed full, this could send the message that there isn't enough space. So I suggest taking the bulk of your belongings out of your closet because it will free up space and make it appear that there's plenty of room for their things. And don't forget to do the same thing with your cabinets. Those are my quick and easy tips that you can do on your own right now to make a good first impression and get your home sold faster. If you have questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. If you'd like to keep up with what's new, what's now, and what's next in real estate, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss an episode. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.